How to add Snapchat streak story in Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your Snapchat account. Then at the bottom, click on Chat section. You'll find all your chats pop up. Select the person's chat and it will open their profile. Then in here you'll find a fire sign. Simply click on it, which is the streak. After you click on it, you'll find your streak. You can take screenshot. After you have done that, you can simply go back to the main page and then click on memories. After you click on the memories, you will find camera roll at the top. Click on it. Then select the screenshot you just took. After you have clicked on it, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Edit Snap. After you've clicked on Edit Snap, press on Stories at the bottom. And if you want to tag, you can type in by clicking on Anywhere and type in @ and the username of the friend. Then press on Stories at the bottom. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to add Snapchat streak story in Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.